how's it going? I wanted to quickly go ahead and record this video for you just in hopes that it's helpful and gives you a little bit more insight into SEO and a direction you can take to get some more people to find you. So I wanted to start with first going through your website. You've got some really nice pictures here in the header of furniture that you've created, which is really nice. We've got the menu here. This is an awesome table. You can see that you've got an award, you were featured in a magazine, which is awesome. A little bit about you guys, some featured projects, which are cool, a testimonial, some more testimonials, and then a call to action. So the main thing that I'm seeing here is there's not a whole lot of content on this homepage. There's not a whole lot of words, which is an issue for two reasons. The first reason is that you want to have about 1,500 words on your homepage, and this is because Google has crawlers. The crawlers are coming through and they're reading the content. They're trying to figure out what areas you serve, what services you offer, what you do, etc. The more content you have, the more you're going to look like an expert in Google's eyes. In addition to that, you want to beat out the content that your competitors have. So if they have 1,000 words, you want to have 1,500 words, etc. Within that content, you want to have keywords. Furniture store in Boston. So this may potentially be a keyword, which is good. So just off the rip, that's the only one I think I'm seeing. Furniture store Boston. Anyway, so if someone were to Google furniture store Boston and you had furniture store Boston all over your website, you're going to be really relevant to that search, and Google's going to be willing to put you up at the top. So you want to have specifically chosen keywords throughout that content so that the more people will find you. If we took a look for custom furniture Boston, Mass, we can see this is product Google ads. I can see you're running a map pack Google ad here. And so this is called the map pack. The top three listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. The way that you get yourself into this without an ad is by one, obviously having a profile, two, filling it out as much as possible. And I mean all of it, the full description, all the characters used, adding hours, adding photos, posting to it, like fill it out as much as possible. And then three, putting yourself, your name, address, and phone number into as many relevant directories as possible. So directories are things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. That'll really help to boost and power your Google business profile. The websites listed below here, these are called the organics, and the same thing, you want to be on the front page and ideally within the top three. The first one here is Yelp, and I don't care about Yelp. This is just another similar thing. It's like a blog website. But Lighthouse Woodworks, this looks like a local company here in Boston. So let's take a look at their website. So, okay, same thing right off the bat. They've got a nice custom photo here of something they do, a couple of things, some of their services, a call to action, a little bit about them. They've got a video built into the background. That's kind of cool. Okay, commercial, residential, live edge, farm, epoxy. Looks like their Instagram plugin isn't working. They've got a blog. Okay. So they don't have a ton of content here either. If you had 1,500 words, you would definitely be beating them out content-wise, and you might already be beating them out content-wise. But you'll definitely want to make sure you have keywords within the content, and you want to do research to make sure you have the correct keywords in there. So let's talk about why they were ranking. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put them into here so we can see what you're up against. The second thing I want to go over is UR and DR ratings. These ratings are really important to where you fall within the Google search results. A UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google. So how trustworthy is your website? A DR rating is essentially a power rating with Google. So how powerful is your website? And the way you raise these numbers, or the main way you raise these numbers, is via backlinks. All a backlink is really just a shout out from another website. So if another website had a link or a clickable button back to your website, that's a backlink. And we can actually click on these and see what backlinks they have. And we can go ahead and attain them for your website so you're able to match them and even get more. And lastly, and most importantly, I want to talk about the organic keywords. These are the keywords within the content that I was talking about before. Now they have a lot, like 1,700 keywords, and I don't necessarily want to look at all of them. I want to look at the local ones for specifically Boston. We're going to go ahead and search for Boston. And let us see. Wood furniture Boston. There's approximately 300 people who Google this per month. Boston wood furniture, approximately 100. Boston custom furniture, approximately 80 people who Google this per month. Custom furniture Boston, approximately 30. Reclaimed wood Boston, approximately 80. Reclaimed wood tables Boston, approximately 10. Furniture maker Boston, approximately 20. Woodworking Boston, approximately 150. That's awesome. Woodworking Boston MA, approximately 20. Okay, I won't go through all of them, but obviously you can see there's actually a pretty decent amount of search volume, quite a bit more than I was anticipating, of people searching for woodworking or furniture, custom furniture in Boston. We know it's really important to get in front of these people because the more people that find you, the more people that will call you or come into your store, and the more clients you will land. Let's take a look at your website ratings. We can see your UR and DR rating would really need to be raised. There's probably a lot of spammy backlinks here, which it's a quality over quantity thing. And then let's take a look at your keywords. So what I noticed is there's a lot of those keywords that aren't containing the word Boston in it, which is fine, especially if you ship. But it's really important to kind of go after those Boston keywords first because those are going to be the most local people to you. So if we search for Boston, I can get a good idea of approximately what place you're in. So wood furniture Boston, you're in about 7th place or so. Boston wood furniture, about 7th. Custom furniture, 7th. Woodworking, 12, 6, 3, 9. So definitely not in the top 3 except for maybe this one. And it starts to go down, right? So these are the ones that are really important that you want to go after the most, and these are the ones that will be most important to have on your homepage. So if you, 1, get 500 words, or excuse me, 1,500 words onto that homepage, 2, get some more keywords in that content, and 3, get some high quality backlinks, that should really help to raise your website. I hope that this was helpful, and I look forward to hearing back. Have a great day.